Well, just morning, a little after 6, about 10 after 6, we turned Upper Kezar up wide open to be able to work on our top flashboards. And we have to cut all the pins. I'm going to reinstall all brand new bent pins. Well, get rid of the bent ones, put in new ones. But you always find something. Got a slow-moving whirlpool. A couple little ones. And there's a pretty decent-sized hole. It's probably really hard to see in the video. But the water is pretty clear. So it looks like we're getting some sinkholes going on. There is a very large amount of water that gets underneath this dam. Looks like something else going on right down in there. So we had to cut pins and drilling pins, play some pins today. Not at Hackett today. Hoping to be able to get back there tomorrow. Another one of them. A little test I did last year. Here's a piece of plastic I put some rocks on the bottom of it, and it's still there. Gotten some decent high waters. Debris, a big private property, no trespassing sign. Boat air is still looking good.